Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Abegi Swad.
Wish you all a happy Janmashtami in advance. Today I am with a new recipe, Sabudana Thalipeeth. These are crisp and soft pancakes made with Sago Pearls. These are light snack and ideal for people who are fasting. So let's start the video. But before starting the video, make sure like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. To make thalipeeth, rinse 250 grams sabudana well. Wash till you get transparent water while rinsing. Drain all the water. Then soak them for 4 to 5 hours in enough water. After a few hours, you will notice the sabudana will become bigger in size and soaked all the water. Drain all the excess water. Make sure there is no moisture in them. Meanwhile, take 2 large size potatoes. Wash well. Give a cut in between and transfer it into a pressure cooker. Add 2 cups of water followed by 1 teaspoon salt. Cover the lid. Boil in the pressure cooker until 4 to 5 whistles. When the pressure releases completely, open the lid. Transfer the potatoes in chilled water. Keep for a few minutes. Mash the potatoes and add into the sago pearls. Now add half teaspoon chopped ginger. I am transferring everything into a bigger mixing bowl. Now into that, add 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 pinch sugar, salt to taste, coarsely ground roasted peanuts, 2 to 3 chopped green chili, and 4 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Also add 4 teaspoon Maida. It will work as the binding agent. Now apply some ghee or oil on palms. Take some portion from the mixture and begin to flatten it with palm to a round shape. Heat a non-stick pan. Spread 1 to 2 teaspoon oil or ghee. Place the thalipeeth on the pan. Fry well from both the sides till golden brown and crisp. I am frying 2 or 3 at a time. If you have smaller pan, fry 1 at a time. Repeat the process and similarly fry the rest of the thalipeeths. Serve the crispy Sabudana Thalipeeth with any of your favorite chutney or raita or talir kheer as I have served. For the recipe of talir kheer, stay tuned on my channel. Enjoy your Janmashtami with delicious recipes from Abegi Swad. Try this recipe on Janmashtami and share the feedback in the comment section below. Also tag me in Instagram.